this Mary. Happy New Year, Happy Lunar New Year. Today I'm going to eat a baked fruit. So you see this package? This is pack. It's a one fruit. It's a very beautiful pack. You see, it's almost the same as my face, big as my face. So and then it is a red wrap. It looks very beautiful. So do you know what's this fruit? Actually, Pomelo. Sorry, Pomelo. 叫什么
Pomelo.
Pomelo. So let me open, see what's inside. Wow, it's like a big orange. Actually, in China we call it 柚子, and its English name is pomelo. This fruit is from South of Asia. So let's start to eat. So first, I have to cut. The skin is very thick, it's kind of hard, thick. So I just cut like this. Just open like this. See? That skin, you peel the skin. See? That there's yellow skin inside. There's lots of the white stuff. Now I can open this inside. Wow, see, like that. So now I'm going to, So you see that's the fruit. That's fruit inside. So usually I just peel like that, So see, this is peel for each pieces. You can peel it off. And this skin it smells good, and they said if you put if you have a sleeping problem, and then you put the skin, this peel, beside your pillow when you sleep, and then it will help you to fall asleep quickly. Wow, see? You see, this is from one fruit. You see how much the peel side and how much the fruit meat. I can eat it for the whole week. Let me try this one. Wow. So fresh, sweet, little bit sour, and a little bit bitter. It's very delicious, very juicy, very good. That's all for today's video. See you next time. Bye.